There definitely is like a bustling design scene in Singapore, but there's also a lot of room to grow here. And that's why it's very exciting for young designers to get ideas going. There's just so much potential here. I'm Genevieve and I'm a maker and designer in Singapore. Currently, I'm working on a good design research grant through Design Singapore Council. What I'm doing right now is looking at how to make clay as a material more sustainable by actually trying to change glass waste into glazes. It's probably in most of the minds of designers these days to be more sustainable. In fact, I don't think it's just designers that are having these thoughts. It's in everybody's mind these days because it's obvious that there needs to be a change in the way things are done at the moment. So the project is about taking glass waste that's been crushed into glass sand, turning it into glazes, and then hopefully making them into tiles that would be cladded onto your walls and floors. Terra Sol is a waste management company, and Joe, he's generally the person that I'm talking to at the moment. Yeah, that's just porcelain, dried porcelain. In our collaboration, he is supplying this glass crusher.
Right, okay, so this is the glass crusher. This is the smallest that we have, the smallest model. Actually, the process is very fun and very simple. In Singapore, we generate about 60,000 tons of glass waste annually, and only about 12 to 13% gets recycled. And so how can we actually tackle the remaining 40-odd thousand tons of waste on an annual basis? It's a human-generated issue. Humans should come up with the solution. Completely safe to handle. That is what's become of the wine bottle that we saw previously.
Glass bottles have different chemical makeups. So that is an extensive part of the research where we're trying to identify the different colors, the different types. The variety of green at this moment that I'm seeing when the waste is coming through, it's so extensive. Right. There's just so many types of different green. Through collaborations, I learn about not just how other people work, I also learn about their way of thinking and their perspective.
There is technology available to separate bottles by the colors. And then typically, in a more advanced commercial stage, we can actually do it in a large batch.
Joe is probably the big kind of dreamer. He likes to dream up a whole big dream first and then break it down to small steps. While I tend to work smaller and then build into something bigger. I started to look for alternative sources of waste, which is offcuts from flat glass suppliers. Right. Yeah.
We have rolled out a number of solar panels. And the solar panels are all sheet glass, right? So eventually these solar panels need to be recycled. I have to be honest, I don't have much interaction with people from the creative circles, but we need more creative solutions to try to solve this problem.
For me, the impact is to show people there is a way that things can be done. But I think what's important is to remember to take things step by step so that you can work on this for a long time and not just for now.